My country people, this one na video compilation of Ruby Orjiakor and Junior Pope. Their beautiful moment together before Junior Pope bye. See how happy the two of them. Hey God, this is true friendship. Like the two of them, the chemistry was there. You understand? That's why up to now it is very hard for Ruby Orjiakor to believe that Junior Pope don't bye. Do you know that since April 10th, when this ugly incident happened, she has been crying. She hasn't been herself. Even on her social media page, she hasn't posted anything. She's been asking God, Baba God, who will be my friend? Who will understand me better in this life past Junior Pope? Who will I talk to in terms of need? Who will rescue me when I need help? Who will be there for me? That's what the girl just, they cry. They mourn Junior Pope. Get a friend like Ruby Orjiakor. Seriously, true friendship matters in this life. True friendship is the one that will be there for you when the road is thick. Through thick and thin, that person is there. Let's watch this video together. I'm sure it will make your day. Just watch to the very end. My people, this video sweet me, I no go lie. When I see am, I say no, as an army get why I be, I need to share. My people need to see this. I know say for the past few days now, so sorrows and cries everybody just they do. I said this kind of video, no, it will brighten their day. They need to see this one and smile. Say Junior Pope was loved by someone who truly cares. My people, as soon as they watch my videos, they share them. I beg, support me by clicking the link on my bio. It will take you straight up to my YouTube channel. No dull moments for my pages at all. For my YouTube page, no benge news that they drop as well. I see they hot like noodles now they share. I know say as an army get why I be confirmed girl with sabi. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more benge news with the tutorial. But do not as you they do and for here for my page, no benge news that they share. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is richest TV. I'm in here with the call ourselves a Proco Nation. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah, now bye.